So I need to find something to wear for today. These buns are so wonky, but I think it'll be okay. So what I'm looking for right now is something to wear. I went through my clothes and I got rid of so much. I like it better when I get everything, when I have an idea of what I'm going to wear for the week. And I was using this rack behind me for whatever I was planning on wearing for the week, but then I stopped using it for that simply because I got rid of a lot of my clothes. I felt like I was spending a lot of time wading through things that I absolutely never wear. And so I realized that they were taking up dead space and mentally taking up space for me. And so I got rid of them. And so for the most part, this is what I was left with. I have this one, and then I have this one over here with all of my blazers that I wear all the time. And then I have, of course, my dresser with my jeans, my t-shirts that I wear on a regular basis, and some skirts. But other than that, I just got rid of everything. I don't know what else to say. And it felt good. It really did feel good when I got rid of those things. And I feel that now that I got rid of all of those things, I actually wear my clothes more. I don't know what it is. These things were always there, but I just feel as if there were things that were clouding them out. And the way I got rid of things was when I went through all of my clothes, I thought about the way I felt when I wore those things the last time or any of the times that I've worn it. And it's like, if it didn't make me feel good, I just got rid of them. And since I've done that, I haven't had days where I go out and I say, why did I wear this or anything. It's just, it's an amazing thing. And for the most part, my daughter dresses herself, but lately, because I'm having, I want baby girls. I want a baby girl now. And so, and of course, she's still a baby. She's only 14. But I said, well, can I start dressing you again? And she told me, yes, you can dress me. And she's just the sweetest little thing anyway. But she's like, yeah, Mom, I keep telling you, you can dress me if you want to. And so I've been dressing her. And she says, Mom, I felt so good in my clothes today. And I didn't feel like I had to keep like fixing my clothes or adjusting what I had on. And that made me feel good. And that's what actually made me think about all the things that I keep pushing aside in my closet, because I realized you do feel good when you feel comfortable. It's not about having on something super expensive or anything like that, as much as just feeling comfortable. And that's what I've been feeling lately in my clothes. And it's given me room to focus on things that are actually more important, much more important. So not that your clothes are not important, because you want to feel good about what you're presenting and it says a lot about you, but at the same time, it's just not the most important thing at the end of the day. So I got rid of a ton of my clothes and I love it. I absolutely love it. I still have a lot of things that I need to purge. Like I have a mountain of laundry that I need to go through. So I know that this is going to fill up. But what I did is I actually have, these are hangers that my sister gave to my daughter. And she has too many items of clothing for these hangers. And then originally I planned on going back to the store and getting her more of them because I thought they were so beautiful that they would look great in her closet. But these hangers take up a lot of room, and so she would not be able to use them successfully in her closet. But I thought that on this white hanging rack, it would be perfect. Number one, I only want to have a certain number of items on this rack. So when this rack gets all filled, all these hangers get filled, that is it. That it's almost as if, okay, if you don't have enough room, you have to get rid of something if you want to put something else in. And that is the way I'm going to be doing that. When it comes to me just bringing down the scope of what I have in my wardrobe, it made me understand the things that I like, the things that I wear, like all of the things that I have on this rack right here. These are all things that I wear on a regular basis. Even like my white dresses, my white long dresses, I love those things so much that I don't want to put them away and have them yellow or anything like that. And so that's why they're still hanging, which I wear white in the wintertime. I don't decide I'm not going to do that. I just don't. So since I've decided to pare down my wardrobe and just like really focus on the things that I love to wear and things that make me feel good when I wear them, I have noticed that it makes me understand, whereas I had so many things before, the things that I need right now are just a few pieces to fill in gaps that I have in my clothing. Like I just don't feel like, number one, I do not want to fill up my closet again. I absolutely don't want to fill up my closet again. What I want to do is I want to simply fill in the blanks. And I think that I have a few blanks right now of things that I would wear absolutely all the time if I had them. But finding the right piece that fits the right way is another thing altogether. So I will definitely be hunting for the pieces that I feel that I need. But for the most part, I do feel content with the way my closet is now, and it's making me enjoy everything more. And so I did the same thing with my makeup. I have a ton of makeup. I went through and I got rid of things that I just don't use, and I don't miss it. I think sometimes when you hold on to things, you think that you'll miss them, but in reality, you won't miss them. Not if you don't get rid of things that make you feel good, because if it makes you feel good, then that's definitely something that you would keep. And that's why you have to be the one that goes through your things and find out the things that you want and the things that you don't use. But if someone else does it, it doesn't work out that way, because then they'll keep everything that they like on you and not you necessarily. So you going through your things and finding out the things that work for you is like super important. And it has to be something that you do when you have time. There were some things that were just a straight no, I will never put this on my body again. And then there were other things that it's just, okay, there are 3 holes in the yellow spot on this. Do I really need it? No. Because again, it's not going to make me feel good, because I'm going to be covering up the hole and covering up the yellow spot. So those are things that need to go. And I'm happy with my wardrobe, and I feel it doesn't take me forever to get ready anymore. I just get ready very, very quickly, because number one, there's not a bunch of things that you have to wade through to get to the one thing that you wear all the time anyway. Like I didn't have a ton of clothing, but I had entirely too much because I wasn't wearing any of it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you decide to just bring it down and get rid of things that aren't making you happy, I applaud you. And I'm happy for the feeling that you are about to have if you decide to do that. So I hope you come back for another video, and I will see you again soon, guys. Bye.